National Weather Service in North Platte has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cherry County in north-central Nebraska, northern Sheridan County in the panhandle of Nebraska, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 6:55 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northwest of Merriman to 6 miles south of Rushville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gordon, Cody, Merriman, Kilgore, Menzel, Madison Lake, Highway 61 crossing the Snake River, Ely, Lone Butte, Irwin. This includes the following highways: Highway 20 between mile markers 102 and 175. Highway 250 between mile markers 36 and 44. Highway 61 between mile markers 197 and 231. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Nebraska: Cherry and Sheridan,